Hello, welcome to Gastite. Today I'll be showing you how easy it is to terminate gas-tight pipe system using simple hand tools such as wrenches, a gas-tight pipe cutter or a pipe cutter suitable for cutting stainless steel tube, a sharp utility knife, and lastly our XR2 gas-tight fitting, which consists of 4 components. You have the nut, you have the split ring olive that breaks off into 2 parts, and lastly, the main body of the fitting. Now you take your gas-tight pipe work, your gas-tight cutter, or the cutter suitable for cutting stainless steel. You mark the pipe work where you want to cut. You're finding the centre of a valley in one of the corrugations. You're bringing the blade up towards the pipe work and rotate in the same direction. You should hear a click. Once that's clicked, the pipe work then should prise apart, and you work the 2 metals against one another, creating a nice clean cut. You now take your sharp utility knife and you're looking to cut back 2 corrugations on the pipe work. So with the XR2 fitting, you will first need to put on the nut over the jacket. Use the 2 bushes which will clip on to the corrugation with a small piece of exposed stainless at the top. The 2 bushes will squeeze into place, then put on the rest of the fitting. You take the body of the fitting, using the split ring olives as a guide to drive into the fitting and bring up the nut by hand. Then to finish, you will need the right size wrenches to do up the fitting. It is important to have the right size wrenches for the size of pipe you are using, and tighten the fitting. Once the fitting is tightened, you will notice there is no exposed stainless behind the nut. You have formed a gas-tight multi-point seal inside and a jacket lock seal. It is a metal-to-metal dry seal, no need for any paste or compounds. If you need to bond the pipe, you need to make sure you bond from the nut component of the fitting and never on the pipe itself. You can, at this point now, you can pressure test. Thank you, that concludes this section. Now try answering the following true or false statements.